What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. About 9 months ago, did a review of an Audi A5 convertible, kind of like this one, but we're back with this car's big brother. This is the S5 Cabriolet. This one has the more powerful engine. Let's see how it compares to the A5. I can put that video in the description if you guys want to do a little side-by-side action. But let's check this boy out. Looking good so far, but the finger of truth will reveal. That sounded weird, but I'll allow it. Did I see what I thought I just saw? $67,000 it looks like. Yeah, 67,840. Sorry, got a little bit distracted. I always like finding the original window sticker instead of used cars. One of the very few things in life that gets me all excited. Let's do the button test now. And now for the final button. And as usual, I know you guys are always curious about this. 41,000 miles. Oh, 41.7 technically. This is the part I always love about Audis. Virtual cockpit. Why can't every brand do this? Oh wow, I really fogged this thing up, huh? Anyway, how'd the interior do? Well, I gotta say there's a lot of similarities between this and the regular A5. Couple little differences though. Let me explain. So, the fit and finish in this whole car is basically identical to the A5 I did 9 months ago. Mostly pretty rock solid. Couple tiny squeaks in here. Nothing too bad though. This is solid. Most of the center console is solid. But a couple little side pieces here are a bit squeaky. So I gave that car an 8 out of 10 for fit and finish. I'm going to give this car the same. 8 out of 10 for fit and finish. Materials though is another story. So that car at the time I gave a 7 out of 10 for materials. Looking back at that video and looking at other cars, I think I should have given that a 6 out of 10. That car is still just like this car. Plastic sun visors, same soft touch, same. It's largely the same as the other car. Where this one is a little different is there was like a soft touch vinyl material right here in this little zone, but instead on this car this is Alcantara, which is really nice to the touch. In the A5 I complained that the seats were the standard cheap Audi whatever leather fakery. This is an S car and this has the sport seats, which I love sitting in by the way, but it also has real Napa leather. Like this is the Volkswagen Group's nicest feeling leather, very soft and supple. You can tell an immediate difference just by touch. And it has this beautiful diamond quilt with the white contrast stitching. This looks awesome. I love touching these seats. I love sitting in them. This is just fantastic. I'm gonna stop rubbing the seat. That looks weird now. And I love the Alcantara inserts. So, looking back, I really should not have given that car a 7 out of 10. I think that's really 6 out of 10. This car should be 7 out of 10. Just to keep things fair. The rest of it's okay. The dash, the inserts here. The other car had wood. This is like a brushed aluminum. I'm going to keep that aspect of it the same. Not happy about the sun visor situation, but you got to remember this is Audi we're talking about. It's a German car, and we got this is kind of cheap plastic feeling from the A3. These little inserts right here could be better. So there we go. I'm moving the score from the A5 I did 9 months ago to a 6 out of 10 for materials, and therefore this car will be 7 out of 10 for materials. So here's your final score. 8 out of 10 for fit and finish, 7 out of 10 for materials. Overall, nice car. Drove it around a little bit. It's quite a bit of fun. Steering's a little bit numb compared to some other cars in this class. Like my ATS has much better steering, even though that's also electric assist. Has much nicer weight to it, but again, Audi is kind of known for not having the most direct steering feel. But overall it's good, it's precise enough. Where I really like this car though is the transmission. It's an automatic, I think. It's not a dual clutch like in some of the other cars, but this is a very good automatic. The paddle shifters are very responsive, there's no lag, or if there is, it's very minimal considering it's an automatic. So good transmission. I wish my ATS had this car's transmission. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, I will catch you next time. Thank you for watching. Peace.